with Chef Ricardo cooking program. Today we're going to make you a lovely, beautiful cheese and vegetable omelette. Really nice. I got some cheddar cheese right here. I got some mixed pepper right here. I got the 3 different kind of color pepper. I got some spring onion right here, and I have some white onion. I have some pepper, and I got 3 egg and some olive oil. It is a beautiful recipe, and I want you guys to enjoy the recipe. I know I did a video before with omelette, but this one is gonna be the right proper Jamaican cheese and vegetable omelette. It is a beautiful recipe, and I want you guys to enjoy this recipe from Chef Ricardo cooking program. So right here in my container, which I'm gonna put my egg. So first of all, let's crack the egg. Be careful when you're cracking the egg and putting it, because you don't need the shell to be right inside of here. Beautiful. So I place my 3 egg right here inside of it, just like this. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simply put a little bit of the pepper inside of it, mixed pepper. Look at that, the spring onion, everything is inside. I'm gonna go inside of it right here, just like this. That is just really nice and beautiful. Then I'm gonna simply put a little bit of pepper, coarse pepper, a pinch of salt, not too much salt, just a little pinch, and a little bit of milk, not too much milk neither. Then they give it a whisk like this with your fork or with your spoon or with your knife, just like this. Beautiful. So right here, as you can see, this is the way how it look when you whisk up everything with your, when you beat it up with your fork. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put it straight in the frying pan, and we're gonna put some cheese and everything right here. This is finished right here. I'm gonna just put it straight in that frying pan right now. Beautiful recipe. So right here is my frying pan right here. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simply put a little bit of olive oil inside of it, just like this. Not too much. Roughly a teaspoon of olive oil inside of it. Use the spatula and just like this inside of the pot. Don't make it eat too high, on a medium. Then, as you can see, I believe this is starting to get hot. Then, beautiful. This is a non-stick frying pan I'm using at the moment. Take a little time and place it in just like this with everything inside. Look at that beautiful veg, as you can see, looking really, really, really nice. Beautiful. I want to say, if you're allergic to olive oil, you can use butter or you can use vegetable oil. Take a little time, just like this inside of it. Beautiful. Make it fry for about 3 minutes, then you're going to turn it over to the other side. Beautiful recipe. Nice. So as you can see right here, it is getting ready. So this side is already finished. I'm just gonna take my little time and I'm gonna turn it over to the other side. But I want to say, you don't need to do it in such a big pot. You can do it in a smaller non-stick frying pan where you can flip it. So I'm gonna flip this one and I'm gonna put it to the other side. Beautiful one. Nice. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simply put some cheese right here like this. This is just really nice and beautiful. I know you guys are gonna love this recipe. So I'm putting the cheese right here. Then I'm gonna take my little time and put it over just like this. So just look at that. That is just really nice and beautiful. My stove is at the moment on a low temperature because I don't want it to be burned. So as you can see, I just flick it over and get it to the other side. Brown 2 sides, 3 minutes each, and you will get that perfect look. That is just really nice and beautiful. So at the moment, I'll say this is finished. I'm gonna turn off my stove. I'm gonna put it on the plate and make you guys see. Beautiful recipe. Nice one. So as you can see, it is finished now. Beautiful. You can see that chunky, nice, beautiful veg, mixed pepper, and I put a little bit of coarse pepper inside of it. So it's just really nice with the cheese melting. So if you just simply, as you can see, if I even simple cut it that you guys can see how it looking.